trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye.
Hello, Thomas.
On or by the edge is our playground. With a constant strive for glory.
How are you, Thomas?
Seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Hello.
Thomas, we don't hear you if you're speaking.
Hello. Welcome back. Yeah.
Okay, now we hear.
So I wanted to start with reflecting on Sahil Patil and Farkat Karadi on YouTube mentioned that they don't understand what am I doing, and Sahil says that 99% of viewers watch the stream with no clue. What do you think, guys? Do you understand what am I doing?
Indeed.
Or is it just these two individuals who have issues understanding?
I think these two.
I think these two for sure. They're not so smart, guys.
Because I have no idea what am I doing. So maybe they're right. But anyway, guys, I know the membership is expensive, but there's nothing more expensive than what you lose. And I send most of the signals prior to the live stream in the morning, and today just before, literally 20 minutes before I went live, and these are the positions I'm currently sitting in. And you know, that's the advantage of being a member. It's called competitive advantage against the 99% who watch the stream. And I try to explain as much as possible in great depth. If you don't understand something, feel free to ask. I'm here to help and explain, but don't ask me to shout out, buy now, sell now, you know, and all that crap, because first of all, there are limitations. This is not financial advice. You're responsible for your own trading decisions. Secondly, you need to learn. I mean, yes, it's easy to get signals and, you know, someone to hold your hand, but in the long run, what if I'm going on a holiday? Then you're going to lose all the money that you gained. Anyway, have a look on the website and yeah, invest in your education. That's all I can say. Okay, so going back today, welcome everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Position running in 30 pips profit on gold. That the one that we entered, or I entered just before the stream. U.S.30. I have a runner position in 618 pips, and the other one is minus 6 pips. So that's okay. And today we have some very important data. Today we have ADP non-farm employment, and then we have US GDP. Now US GDP is going to be very important. This is the first of the third quarter data. So it's going to be very good. The Hungarian GDP came out and that was fucking devastating. I mean, look at that. Almost minus 1%. That was, whew. So third quarter wasn't exactly as planned for many countries and companies, and I definitely see a divergence between, you know, within between the real economy and the service sector, especially tech companies. Like Nasdaq, for example, did it create a new all-time high? No, not yet.
It's not far of it, mate. Yeah.
Not far, but very, very close. I mean, Google or Alphabet yesterday reported some very nice, very solid numbers. Advertising is still good, and also the other services. And now currently we have a bit of a retracement on Nasdaq. Is it going to continue? Yes, I'm pretty sure it's going to go a little bit lower because we have some other companies reporting today. But let's focus on one thing at a time, which is going to be ADP non-farm employment. Yeah, I'm already in position. I don't know what the number is going to be because we had Hurricane Milton last month. The US economy still continues to print some very solid numbers. So honestly, I don't know what the data is going to be. I'm front running with the sell positions, mostly because yesterday price created a new all-time high, and I'm expecting profit taking prior to the news. This is one of the reasons. Microsoft is most likely going to release the earnings at market closure, but let's check that. And we have literally about 5 minutes to the first data.
It says the was after closure.
Yeah, after market closure. And also Meta, Facebook, that's going to be more important in my opinion.
I think they'll smash it as well because election time, right?
Yeah, advertisements. I mean, over 50 elections happened globally this year alone. Imagine how much money they spent on advertising. 50? Yeah, roughly about 50 elections in the most major countries. So yeah, I'm short on gold. These are the positions. Farouk, I'm not going to make a poll about whether people understand or not what am I doing on YouTube. I think it's only you and the other person who has issues understanding, because if you look at the screen, you can. I trust that most of the people can read whether it's a buy or a sell position, and yeah. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But now, let's hit those like buttons. There's only 40 likes on YouTube. I want to see 100 at least. Sorry, 74. And in the meantime,
Good evening,
I'm going.
Thomas.
Hello, Sherry. Sherry, do you understand what am I doing?
No, I am just joining now.
No. In general, do you understand?
Wait. I am checking now. Where?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Forget. I think I asked the wrong person.
Sorry, Thomas, you've got both longs and shorts on at the
Okay.
moment. Right?
I'm
Sure.
now.
Sorry, Brett. Say it again.
Sorry, apologies, Sherry. I was talking over you. Sorry, sir.
Long and short positions. I've heard.
Yeah, sorry. I thought I saw before you had some long and short gold, but this morning was a short.
Yeah. But those long positions has been on for like weeks.
Yeah,
Since beginning of the month. So
tell me, what's the overnight? What's your total overnight interest on those? On the ones you've held for a while? Is it in your favor or not? I'm not sure whether it's long or short risk favorable at the moment when it comes to overnights.
It's not much. Well, obviously it's a negative swap, but
It is negative.
it's okay. Yeah, because if you look at the positions, most of the positions have been closed down or partial stake in literally within 24 hours. So when price was going up, I took most of the profit, and the remainder, which is like a 0.05 lot, accumulated about 34 pounds of negative swap. So that's
Cool.
reasonable.
Very good. Thank you, mate.
A few days ago, Thomas, the whole market stalled at 40, right? So if there was a tank, would you say that 40 is probably a reasonable first pit stop?
40 what?
27.40.
Oh, 27.40. Would that be a good take profit level? Yeah, but definitely I would take at 54. I think it's more reasonable. 69 is always the best, you know.
Is that a loaded number for you, is it? 69.
Okay, we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes until the first data set. I'm going to move stop loss on the large position in break even. So the worst thing that happened is I'm going to win £50. That's the worst scenario. And the other one can go down to minus 400, but that's only a one lot position. So data is coming up soon. And yeah, I'm short on gold. Long on Nasdaq. I will be long on Nasdaq and short on US30.
It was interesting today. VW was also announcing massive cuts, right? So DAX would naturally have some sort of impact as a consequence of that.
Let's focus on ADP now. It's literally coming up in 1 minute. No, it's cool, brother. Okay. We have 40 seconds. Oh, you fucking gun. Okay, we have 20 seconds to go. Ooh, volatility is arriving. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And ADP is out now. Oh! Look at that. Immediately started falling. But now it's climbing back. I'm going to take profit on the large position. I don't care. Come on, make it 2,000. Make it 2,000, please, make it 2,000.
Take off the website, Thomas. Show us your screen.
Oh, sorry. What do you see?
That crappy calendar.
Sorry. Crappy calendar. Sorry. Give me a shout if this happens. Give me 2,000, and I will be absolutely happy.
What were the numbers? 233,000.
Yep. It's much better than expected. Come on, 2,000. Brad, I need some help with the shouting.
Yes.
Come on.
Come on, there it is.
Right.
You missed it.
I think it's only a few pounds.
What was it? Did you get it?
1971.
Yeah, good enough.
Oh, yeah. But, it screws up my psychology because it's not that round. US30 is very muted.
So what?
Immediate. So, what was the name of the guy who didn't understand what am I doing? So I literally said I'm shorting gold. So Farokh and Short Drive, or Shahil Patil. No, Shahil Patil and Farud. When I said I'm shorting gold, did you understand that? Or but anyway, who made some profit today?
So is it we're waiting for the pullback and reselling?
I'm happy with the profit, to be honest. But those who missed it, I would wait for GDP, because what I see on the chart right now is that we're still in a bull market. Don't forget that. So what I see is now that we had the sell, which was perfect. I'm expecting a pullback down to the daily pivot, back into the channel, which is another 150 pips, and then a retest of the all-time high. You feel me?
Feel you.
Literally an hour worth of work, £2,000. Fucking brilliant.
Yeah, that's good. How
You
many
made
people
money.
have you got on YouTube, watching on YouTube?
319.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Not bad.
It'll definitely come back to that pivot 63, right? That's spot on, that pivot there.
That's like a magnet.
Yeah. 63.
How much was the total profit from entry? So the entry was 780, 80 and 100, 80 pips immediate profit. I think that's beautiful. Nasdaq TP, Norbi Torma, Savas Norbi. TP on Nasdaq, ask your bank account. But I would wait a little bit with Nasdaq. It will come down lower. So as you can see, we have a nice bull flag pattern, and this usually happens before some high impact news. And I can confidently say that today's or the whole of this week we have high impact news. We had Alphabet reported good earnings yesterday. Meta and Microsoft are going to report as well, but off the market. So before that, I'm expecting a pullback and maybe enter at a lower price. Marwan, my brother, why are you on YouTube? Come to the live. Come to the Zoom. I missed you.
Oh, GDP is today. Fuck, I thought it was tomorrow.
No, today. That's why I took profit. I took profit because GDP is coming up in a matter
Like a
of
few
minutes.
minutes, yeah. Jesus,
Yeah, it's 8
having a
minutes.
snooze.
Make the money, take the money. Don't. I left one runner and almost in break even. So the worst thing that happened is I walk away with almost 2k.
Certainly 2780 is not a bad place to sell again, but as you say, I'll wait for GDP because there was a big block of selling at that point. And I guess at 2785 as well.
What do you think, guys, about the GDP? Third quarter in many countries was pretty rough and bad in terms, we just see the GDP numbers coming out. The US continues to report some very solid numbers. What is the GDP going to be?
But isn't it a function of this big seven, right? They play a big part, and service sector plays a big part, I imagine, in the GDP numbers.
Well, if they wouldn't use the Dutch, what is it? The double Dutch, the double Irish and Dutch sandwich accounting, methodology to avoid paying, taxes in the US. They do add large chunk in the service sector, but you know, majority of the profits are and the revenue is not in the US. It's in Ireland and you know other offshore destinations. US 30. I'm short on US 30, brother. Nasdaq is pulling back as expected. That's 6 minutes until US GDP. Now that can definitely surprise the markets. And I'm very tempted. Oh, Alol on YouTube is asking Thomas, are you a full-time trader? Yeah, we can say that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't trade full-time, like 24/7, but yes, I trade for a living. Look at that. Gold is very resilient. Mm, 4 minutes until US GDP. Still holding the sales on YouTube. YouTube in gold. Do you see US solid to 100 by the end of the year? Anything is possible, brother. I'm not an expert in fossil fuels or any, you know, oil, but anything is possible.
So that initial sell down, Thomas, went pretty much almost to the low of the day, isn't it? If I look carefully on your screen.
I don't know what was the low of the day.
It's pretty close to that, I think. 277. This went that initial wick down went to 2774. I think the low of the day was 2773. Maybe
It made the lower. Last one was 272.8.
Okay. Yeah. So pretty close.
Very close, yeah. Those who would like to join the Alpha FX community, there's a link pinned in the YouTube chat, and you can do so. You can join the community by clicking on that link. No new positions on gold. We have 2 minutes until US GDP. I logged in all of the profits. There's only one running position, which I'm going to leave. I'm going to widen the stop loss a little bit because that is a runner, but the main position I took profit already. Is gold going to continue to create a new all-time high? Maybe, who knows. At these heights, it's impossible to forecast what's going to happen because the market sentiment is just extremely strong. Nasdaq expecting some drop, as you can see on the screen. U.S.30 I'm shorting. That's the only certain thing I can say at this time. And overall, I'm bullish on gold, but I'm expecting lower prices. So I have a short position open, and if price comes down lower to around 27.65, I will continue buying.
This music is so pertinent for Halloween, Thomas.
One minute, ladies and gentlemen, and the US GDP will be revealed. If the US GDP is too strong, so around 3%, I think gold has the chance to follow my forecast down to 27.65. If the GDP is a little bit weaker or very weak, then gold is going to create a new all-time high today in a matter of minutes. So, 20 seconds to go. Still holding my short position. If you see the number, shout it out. Okay, we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The US GDP. Okay. Can anyone see the number?
It's a fizzer.
Yet.
It's
It's
below.
lower.
Oh, yeah. Gold may create a new all-time high.
What's the number?
2.8. Quarter and quarter. It is strong. 2.8. I think it's only a marginal difference between the forecast. I'm gonna keep the short position and going to enter into buy at a lower price. But for now, I leave this runner on sell. Leave the sell runner. Core prices have increased on PCE, which is bad for gold, so it's good for the short position. So I'm going to hold on to the sells. And in fact, I'm going to enter into another sell. Oh, sorry, I wasn't showing you guys. And that is going to be a reasonable 27.70, so it's like 70 pips target.
Sorry, Thomas, you're selling now down to 70 to rebuy later.
Yeah, I'm selling to 70, but I'm going to buy at around 65.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Tamas.
Hello, Yaro. How you doing?
I'm doing good, and you?
Very good. Today's a good day, profit-wise.
Oh, yeah.
Do we have any other data? No. Okay. We had strong economy, strong employment numbers, is good for gold, but we have the core the PC prices, which is higher than expected, yet lower than the previous one. BitMix data, I would say it's more on the bullish side on gold, but I'm waiting for lower prices to buy. So I'm going to sell the news and then buy the fact. Let's have a look on the other positions. Nasdaq is going lower. This is what I'm expecting on Nasdaq. So come down to the daily pivot and then create a new all-time high. Remember that we have Meta and Microsoft earnings today. So if you look on the chart, this is my Nasdaq forecast. Price is forming a bull flag. So I'm expecting 21,000 or 20,550 is a reasonable price to buy. U.S.30, I'm short. And gold, currently sitting in a short position, but took profit after ADP. And now the GDP and the PC prices, it's mixed data, but I'm inclined on the sell and buy at a lower price.
What time was that PC number you're saying was 1.5? Is it 1.5? What was the 1.5 was the actual. And 2.7 was the previous with the forecast at 2.5. Oh, the core PC you're looking at. Sorry, I wasn't sure which ones. Lower than forecast, okay.
And that's it. That's the most important data for today. I'm going to close down the current position on gold because it hasn't dropped as much as I was expecting. So I'm taking that £300 loss, and that gives me a total of £1,700 profit for the day. Just on gold. And I'm going to leave. Do I want to leave the runner? The problem is, no, absolutely not. I'm going to close down the runner as well. So officially, I'm out of the. Oh fuck! What did I close? Oh, I closed down the US30. Okay, I'm closing down the gold. So I'm out of the gold positions now. Closing the day in £1,700 profit.
Nice, good outcome.
Yeah, I'm not recommending anyone to buy or sell. The last few days, the volatility have been just crazy, and I've seen many traders get burnt holding positions for too long. So if you can make 50, 100, 200 pips, ask yourself, can you afford to lose that profit? I would rather not. Any penny counts. So that's it. I'm done for the day. Close the day in profit. How was your day, guys?
It was okay. Made money, so I'm happy.
All good.
Richly, nice trade. Michael Gonzalez. Nice profit. Very nice. Okay. Show me the profits on Discord. Make me proud. And we're done for the day. 80 pips. Fully booked. Tomorrow is another day, Thursday, with jobless claims. And what else do we have? Oh, Friday, NFP. So I'm going to take the rest of the day off. Made profit. US 30. Maybe stay away for a little bit because we have some big companies reporting. And yeah, come back tomorrow for another 80 pips. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.
Thanks, mate. Thanks so much.
Have a nice evening.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Ciao, ciao.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. So, guys, if you want to join the Alpha community and if you want to trade with me, go to the website. There's a 50% discount. If you can afford to lose this much money, you can afford to invest in your education. And you get to see my trades and how my trades look like on Discord. I share my MetaTrader screen. I share my entries. So if I enter into a position, I share it. Or maybe 2 minutes later, but still fairly real time. Go to AlphaFX.eu or use the discount link in the YouTube chat. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. This is the AlphaFX.